This is going to be a room tour of room 209. Alright, this is going to be a room tour of room 209, which is a standard king room at the La Quinta Inn, Milwaukee Airport, Oak Creek. We start with the door. It's a swipe card. Maximum rate's $4.99. It's kind of a lot for this place. The average rates go for about 100, maybe sub 100. Anyway, entry area. Looking good actually. It's clean, smells fine. Tissue, coffee maker, sink, mirror. It's right next to the door. Whatever. No closet, but you do have some hangers and an ironing board, which is nice, and a hair dryer. This is your area. Bathroom. Fan is loud, but it is a shower, and it's actually blowing air. We'll see. It's cozy. Enough toilet seat room right here. It's very clean, shiny clean actually. There's nothing really more I can ask for. Well, some marks on the top of the shower curtain. That's okay. For what you're paying for this room, it's very actually overly acceptable. Actually, I'm going to be honest. It's actually looking pretty clean. I don't know if you can tell. It's probably the only bit over there, but it's looking very clean. Overall, you have an ice maker. There is an ice machine. There's laundry machines on every floor, I believe. All the lights work here. And okay, we're going to go over to here. We're going to go turn the lights on. Thermostat. There's a thermostat, but it doesn't work. You have to use the thing here. So here's the room. Like I said, it's a one king room. You have a shelf kind of over here, kind of dead space over here. You can put your shoes or whatever, or your bag. Lamp here, lamp there, and 2 lamps here. Overall, there's plenty of lighting in this room, in my opinion. Let's start with the TV. You got 2 drawers in here, nice and heavy. You know, this is not a new hotel for sure. Very bright office lamp. Probably the original phone, if I had to guess. There is the street address right there. Does it work? There is a dial pad. I'm going to wash my hands now. AC was set to 63 when I walked in, so I turned the fan on for a little bit. Try to warm it up. It was actually pretty cold in here. It's about 75 degrees outside. It's pretty nice. About to turn this back onto the AC. But I got in and it was nice and chilly. Hallway was nice and cold. You have what I think is a newer leather chair here. Ooh, okay, this is kind of getting old. It's not sticky, it's just old. The chair is comfortable. Don't really want to sit in it much. Hotel chairs weird me out. You have a book in here, a drawer, a clock, a lamp, which isn't, the bottom's in okay condition, and it works. Lampshade is actually in decent condition. Both of them, you have 5 pillows here. This is a king bed. Don't know what the mattress feels like, but it doesn't matter. A bed is a bed. Hopefully it should be pretty good. Lamp, you have 2 USBs and 3 outlets here. Another drawer. No fridge was the one thing that got me, because I have things that require refrigeration and, just food. And no fridge. But the view is, as you can imagine, this is in Disney World here, is the back parking lot. Every view is of a parking lot. Ooh, my window's open. That's disturbing. I heard some noise as I was... Alright, so apparently there's a large gap in the window and there's no lock on the window. Apparently there isn't. Okay. Oh, this is it's Wisconsin. It's a double pane window. Okay. Anyway, the window is open and now it's shut. That is the room tour. Let me know if you have any questions. Overall, if you should stay here, the front desk is very friendly. It's a family-run hotel. Cousins, daughters, sisters, run by a family. They're all very nice here. Free breakfast, airport shuttle from 3 to 11. And that's it.